How to reactivate or deactivate a Facebook page. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can reactivate or deactivate a Facebook page. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. So first of all, log in into facebook.com. After that, on the left side of the screen you should be able to see pages option. Just scroll down until you see pages option. After that, here you will be able to see the pages that you have. So here, if you have deactivated a page on your Facebook, so what you will be able to see at the right side of the screen, there will be a small box where there it will show the deactivated Facebook page. So what you're gonna do is simply click on that deactivated Facebook page, or beside that you'll be able to see a three dot option. So you're just gonna click on that option and you should be able to see a activate Facebook option. So you're just gonna click on that activate. After that, confirm that activation and go further with the verification process, and just like that you should be able to reactivate your Facebook page. So therefore, just follow this process and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.